So good day everyone, this is my case study web server. So first let's add roles, then next, then click web server IIS, then next, then check application development, F, FTP server IIS 6, then next, then install, then close, then go to start administrative tools, internet information manager, then expand natin yung domain, then sites, then right click natin yung sites, then add website. So site name TUPT. So physical path, local disk, inet pub, www root, make new folder, let's name it TUPT. Then okay. Then sa host name, yung domain natin which is tupt.edu.ph, then okay. So click natin ginawa nating website, then scroll down, output, caching, right click, add, sa file name extension .aspx, user mode caching, check natin, and then okay. Then sa File Explorer, so imamount na natin yung website. So once na-mount na natin yung files ng website, i-copy natin sa inetpub www root, and then dun sa folder na ginawa natin which is tupt, then paste. And na-paste na natin yung files ng website. Then go to start IIS manager. Then yung TUPT site. Then sa right side, merong browse website. Click natin yan. So yan. Meron na tayong website ng TUPT. So andito din yung mga departments, programs, offices. So yan, Basic Art and Sciences Department. Yan, may mga courses, BT-BTE. Electrical and Allied Department. So, try naman natin siya sa Windows XP and Windows 7. So, sa Windows XP, Internet Explorer, type natin yung domain tupt.edu.ph. So, ayan. na-access din natin yung website. Ayan, Civil and Allied Department. Mechanical and Allied Department. Yan, nandiyan din yung mga programs. Then sa Windows 7, Internet Explorer. And then tupt.edu.ph. So, ayan. Administrative Department naman. Ayan, nandiyan yung mga offices. So, yun lang po. That's the web server. That's how you do it. And thank you for watching.